So guys, as you all know that we are just start Python basic. So firstly we should know that what is coding and how we can define the coding in a different way. So pseudo code and the Python code is here. So basic difference of Python code and pseudo code is basically here the pseudo code and Python code. So if you write just anything in a informal way, suppose I just want to buy some kind of a t-shirt, so I just need to go to the market, then I can buy, or I can purchase from the online, right? So just I can prepare or informally plan in my mind that if I go to the market, then I can purchase, otherwise not, right? So pseudocode is basically when there is any kind of writing a plan, or you can say a step in an informal way, you can say, then this is called the pseudocode. And Python code is basically when we just go and follow the algorithm is our step-by-step procedure. So where the word is written step-by-step procedure, that is called the algorithm, or a formal way of doing anything. So this is the Python code. So here Python code means you are just following some kind of instructions. Like the Python is a case sensitive language, so here capital word and or letter is a different thing as compared to the small. But in a pseudocode, if I am talking about the informal way, which is totally different from the Python code. So this is the main difference. You can see in the first example, input user, output hello username. So in this you just write in an informal way according to your understanding, but in the Python code you are just giving the instruction to the interpreter, or you can say the script mode or interactive mode. So according to that instruction, they just follow the codes and follow the instruction, and they give output on the basis of your instructions. So that is the basic you can say difference between the pseudocode and the Python code. And trust me guys, whenever I'm talking about the pseudocode and the Python code, so this difference is basically described accordingly, pointly, and it can easily consider as a 1 mark MCQ in your exam. So whenever you are prepared for the KVS or any kind of other exam, just keep this in your mind, that the difference between the pseudocode and the Python code is basically pseudocode is just an informal way and the Python code is just a formal way of writing any kind of algorithm, right?